Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno5 Lite, and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So first you should go to the Settings app and scroll down to the Password and Biometrics. Now just go here to the Privacy Password section and type your currently phone password. Right now, as can you see here, we got the Hide Apps section. Go there and you got here all your available applications on your phone. For example, just to hide this application, tap here on the switcher and just go to the Settings. Now you just have to set the access code. This code must start and end with the hashtag by this way, and for example in my case that will be from 1 to 4, and just that will look like this. Now just tap here to OK, and for sure don't forget your password. Now just tap here to done, and as can you see, we for example can hide 3 more or more apps. And right now, as can you see, we have all these applications here on our phone, on our device screens and say menu. And right now, if you just wanna unhide this application, go by the same way to the Settings, to the Passwords and Biometrics, to the Privacy Password, type your currently phone password, go to the Hide Apps, and here just tap again on the switchers from this application, and as can you see right now, we got here these 4 apps. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.